Hi there and welcome to another BlogHandy tutorial on how to add an SEO optimized and beautiful looking blog to your existing website. My name is Uwe, I'm the founder of BlogHandy, and today we're looking at how to add a blog to your DropFunnel website. So I'm already in my DropFunnel account, and let's head over to website. And then now, once we're in the website menu, we have to click on add website page. Now I'm just going to create our blog on an empty blank page. Obviously you want to have it within your existing design. Let's give it a title called blog and let's just publish it. So this will be an empty blank page. Perfect. Now we can see our permalink is already set up with the /blog, and now let's click on launch DropFunnel editor. So once the editor loaded, obviously, again, this is a blank page. You might have way much more designs there. Wherever you want your blog to appear, just use the basic module HTML and drop it here. Great. So now this little pop-up is there and we want to put our BlogHandy code in there. Okay, now in BlogHandy, under the dashboard, you will find the code snippet area and copy the step 1 code and go back to DropFunnels and paste this here. Then go back to BlogHandy, go to the step 2 code, copy it and paste it just underneath there and click on save. Let's wait a second. And as you can see here already in the preview, our blog is loading, and let's click on done and on publish. Great. So this is our live site. I'm on the live URL, and as you can see, our blog is loading. I can click on a blog post and it's showing me my blog post, my sharing options on social media, the highlight to share option. And now let's go back to BlogHandy to set up a few more things. All right, I'm back in my BlogHandy account. Let's go to settings, and under general and blog URL, we want to put in the URL to our blog page on DropFunnels, and we want to save that. Great. Once you've done that, you can go to layout and design and you can have a look there. We've got a number of beautifully designed options for your blog layout. The modern grid is our default one, but you can change to any of those, for example the pop grid, and you just click on that switch and it instantly switches over. Let's go back to your blog, refresh it, and you can see here the new design is loading. Let's go back to BlogHandy, and as you can see here, there are different designs. You can activate different social networks for sharing, and you can enable or disable the highlight to share functionality. If you've got any questions, always feel free to reach out or just hover over these question marks and they will explain you what's happening. If you need any other customizations, if you want any changes to your blog design, just feel free to reach out and me and my team are happy to help. Thanks a lot for watching the tutorial. Happy blogging and bye bye for now.